page 1. Let's take a look at problem number 1. Classify each expression as mono, bi, tri, or other polynomial or not a polynomial, then state the degree. Alright, so question number 1, is this a polynomial? And the answer is yes. Now, polynomials, you're not allowed to have negative exponents, but you can have negative numbers. So this is a polynomial. All the exponents are positive. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So it is a trinomial. Alright. And for the degree, it's just going to be the degree of the highest term, which in this case is 4, right there. So there's number 1. Number 2, this is just one term, so that is going to be a monomial. And if we're asking for the degree, now we need to worry about the other exponents here. So we have x to the third, y to the first, z to the first. So 3 plus 1 is going to be 5. And there is the answer to number 2. Alright, now we're into evaluating. So they give us a polynomial, they tell us what x, y, and z are. They say, okay, well, what's this going to equal if I plug all these numbers in? So here's where you do want to be careful. If I have a negative 3 for x, negative 3 squared is actually going to give me a positive 9. And then 5 times a negative 3 is actually going to give me a positive 15. So this problem is actually 9 plus 15 plus 3. And if you add all those together, you're going to get 27. Alright. So now we have the x's and the y's. So 4 times x, it's going to be 4 times the negative 3. They tell us that y is 2, and then we're going to subtract 2 minus, 2 times 2 in this case, because y is 2, and then z is 5. So times 5. Now remember your order of operations. We have to do the multiplying first. 4 times negative 3 times 2 is a negative 24. 2 times 2 times 5 is 20. And so we're going to get negative 24 minus 20, or negative 44. Remember, if the signs are the same, you just add them together, keep the sign. Okay. Next section. Now we're being asked to simplify. I want to see if I can get my focus a little bit more clear here. Let me try this real quick. Let me get it a little sharper. There, I think it's a little sharper. Okay. So these are like terms, 5x squared and 3x squared. So all you have to do is combine them, and you're going to get 8x squared. It's that simple. 5 plus 3 is 8. They're like terms, you can just add them together. Okay, here what we want to do, or what I want to do first, is get rid of the parentheses. So if this is plus, we can just get rid of all the parentheses right off the bat. So this will be 7y cubed minus 5 plus 8 minus 3y plus 2y cubed. Alright, and now we just need to look and say, what are the like terms? Well, here's two like terms. They're both, remember, like terms means same letter with the same exponent. So 7y cubed, 2y cubed, that's going to give us a 9y cubed. So we're done with those. What about minus 3y? Are there any other y's? Nope. So that's just going to stay minus 3y. And then negative 5 plus 8 is going to be a plus 3. So there we go. Problem number 6. Okay, problem number 7. Again, we want to get rid of the parentheses, but this time we have to be careful because we have a minus sign. And that makes it more interesting. So this is going to turn into 3x. And then you basically have to distribute the minus sign. So it'll become minus 2x plus 7. Right? Because if I have a minus times a minus 7, that's going to give me a positive 7. 3x minus 2x is just x, right? Because these are like terms. So it'll be x plus 7. So there, in just a little over 5 minutes, is page 1 of the test.